Hi, how are you? Today we're going to see how to sign up for Zelle with a TD Bank account. Well, to sign up for Zelle with a TD Bank account, it's pretty easy. The first thing we have to do is log into TD Bank, as you can see here. And once we're in TD Bank, we're going to click here on the option that says Zelle. We're going to click there. And when we click there, here we're going to click this button that says Get Started, Start, or Initiate, whatever you want to call it. And, well, when we click there here, we're going to click Accept on the terms and conditions that appear here, okay? We click here. And, well, here it's going to ask us to choose one of the details we have here to link them to Zelle and be able to use that to send and receive money. Here we click on Continue. And here we click on Continue after reading this. So, we click on Continue. Here it's going to ask us for a security code that will be sent to the phone number or email we selected, and we click on Next. And we click here on Confirm once this appears. And that's it. If this video helped you, please comment and subscribe.